We didn't get far on our walk. We walked to the end of the driveway, didn't we, James? And then it bucketed down with rain. James, say hello. Say hello. Look at all the rain. You tell Daddy it's raining. You tell Daddy. What are you going to tell Daddy? It's raining. And we went to take these two dogs for a walk. And now we're sitting out the front because it's pouring down with rain. Pouring down. Where's Lloyd? Say hi. We're watching the rain. Say hi. Hi. Hello. So we love you, Daddy. James, say, I love you, Daddy. James, you say hi, Dad. Give him a kiss. Kiss.